Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting off unknown callers at the device level. Open Settings, then Do Not Disturb or Sounds, and set Allow Calls from to Contacts Only. Once done, enable Silence Unknown Callers. This stops most private numbers immediately because your phone filters calls not in your address book. Make sure to test with a second phone. If hidden callers still ring, you'll need carrier or app-level blocking next. This step gives fast relief and avoids missing saved contacts. Next, expand blocking beyond the handset. Contact your carrier and request anonymous or private number rejection. Many networks apply the block at the switch, which stops the call before it reaches you. If carrier support is limited, install a trusted call blocking app and configure it to reject private or unknown callers automatically. Make sure the app has permissions to manage calls and that block lists sync. This layered approach reduces spoofed and transient hidden numbers, and it explains why both device and network blocks are useful together. Finish by verifying everything. Place test calls from a hidden line, then confirm they are rejected or sent to voicemail. Keep voicemail enabled so legitimate but unrecognized callers can leave messages you can screen. If hidden calls persist, reboot the phone, update the OS, and check app permissions. If that fails, ask the carrier for call logs and escalate support for anonymous rejection. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily enable full Do Not Disturb and allow calls only from favorites to isolate whether the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.